So today I'm going to be comparing two of my favorite hair primers for high heat styling. This is the It's a 10 Miracle Keratin treatment and the Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser spray oil. They're both really excellent products. I tend not to use them together and get obsessed with one and then forget about the other and go back and forth. So before I repurchase, because they're both pretty low and I need to get one pretty soon, I want to try which one is better so I can just pick the best one. You would definitely want to use something like this before you apply a high heat to your hair, especially if you're like me and you're trying to keep your hair long and strong. I probably need a trim sometime soon, but barring that conversation right now, I still want to keep my hair very protected and as strong as possible before I apply any heat. Both of these products also have claims that they have UV protection. One of these has got to be better than the other, I'm hoping, so I can just pick one and stick with it for a little while. So I'm first going to spray my hair on the left side with the Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin. Now I'm going to spray the right side with the Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser Invisible Oil. And like the left side, I'm going to comb that through. I'm definitely liking how much more slippery the Bumble and Bumble is. It's way easier to spray and finger comb through your hair. The Bumble and Bumble is much more slippery and easy to comb through. So that's the first thing I'm noticing. It also has a nice smell. So I'm going to hair dry my hair with my trusty air dryer. Both sides feel about the same. Probably a bit snarly from drying my hair upside down. So with my hair dry at the moment and combed through, the It's a 10 is feeling a little bit smoother, which is kind of surprising compared to the other side, which originally was a bit more slippery and easier to apply. The Bumble and Bumble primer is not feeling as smooth. It's more fluffy, so I definitely have more body on this side as far as feeling and more smoothing on the It's a 10 side. Now, since I don't really want fluffy hair today, I'm going to go in with the wave styler and get some beachy waves going, and we'll see how the results are after and how it feels and how it looks. What I'm going to be using today to wave my hair is the Bedhead Wave Artist. It is awesome. It makes big waves. I'm going to turn it on and make the heat level not as high as possible, somewhere between high and low, just somewhere right in the middle. The Bumble and Bumble actually held the curl better, and my hair has more body to it than the It's a 10 side. The It's a 10 side is laying a bit flat. I did the same type of curling, the same amount of time. I left 10 seconds in each hold, and about the same width of hair. The difference is, I hope you can see this, but there's a huge difference. You can definitely see the waves as a bit more fuller here, and here on the side with It's a 10, it's flatter. So there you have it. I'm definitely going to pick the Bumble and Bumble side for any type of curling or waver where I need the body and I need the hold to stay. The It's a 10 side is, again, it's laying flat, it's losing the wave. I just did it. It shouldn't be this lost already. It wouldn't hold up for an hour, so that was really disappointing. Very encouraging about the Bumble and Bumble. I still like It's a 10, and I definitely like using it as far as if I'm going out into the sun and also for air drying, but I'm going to stick with the Bumble and Bumble for any type of heat styling product where there's a wave or curl needed, because this is holding up really nicely. If you have any products that you recommend, please let me know in the comments below. I'm definitely excited to learn of any products that I haven't tried yet, and I'd love to hear something that you may have tried that worked really well for you. Also, please see the description below for any information on the products I used today, including my hairdryer and also the bed head waver, which is something I really recommend. It's a really fun hair styling tool that works really quickly and easily at getting some nice waves, especially as the summer's coming.